Hey guys, I have a bunch of projects that have been held up because I've been waiting for stuff to arrive, and I was about to write off this weekend when 6 o'clock on Saturday evening a bunch of packages arrived. So let's do a little impromptu unboxing here. Wi-Fi Experts LLC. I kind of messed up, so I placed 2 orders with them. Yeah, that looks like what I need. So, to fix the continue with the testing of the HP 8664 with the goal of getting the errors resolved. I had to get this jumper cable. I think it's 3 feet long or something like that. This guy looks pretty solid. I had some trouble looking around finding stuff, but Wi-Fi Experts LLC, it looks like he'll basically make any cable you want. He has dozens and dozens of combinations of male and female, SMA, SMC, BNC, PL259, whatever, and any lead length you want for very reasonable prices. So I got that, but if you watch my video, I was getting my SMAs and SMCs confused, and there is an SMB. Apparently SMB is push-on, but I also got these guys, which I'm sure I will have a use for because these will connect to the Tiny SA. And then I can get adapters on the end for, say, BNC. I mean, yeah, it would have been nice if I gotten SMA to BNC directly, but I can get adapters to put on the ends of these. So I got a couple of these guys ordered up as well. It didn't cost that much. I think these are less than $10 a pop. Nice, I mean, lovely. They're gold plated. I saw cheaper ones, but they were not gold plated. They didn't have the nice heat shrink on them. And these are, hey, made in the USA. So there you go. Now this guy. So if you saw my battery dilemma with the 8664, this hopefully will take care of that. I hope there's something in here. There we go. So, batteriesandaflash.com. I got 3 1/3 AA batteries, NiCads. So, some of those rechargeable garden lights, super cheapo things, to save money, they just use 1/3 of a AAA or a AA battery. Well, you can buy these in multiples and just connect the tabs together. And then I'll put a heat shrink tubing around it, and there's my 3.6 volt NiCad battery. I appreciate all your suggestions for alternates. And yeah, I thought about going nickel metal hydride or whatnot, but I don't know what kind of charging circuit it's got. It's a really expensive device. I would hate to ruin it because I was screwing around with different battery chemistry. It's just not worth the gamble to me. So I wanted to get it right. And now this I hope will work out. It's a little thinner than I would have liked, but dial string with a spring to get the fine tuning working on this Zenith porthole. I've had a heck of a time with this thing. No dial stringing info in the Zenith service info, the Sam's info. Can't find a decent photo of it. The one that it came with looked like it had been cut and tied and mangled and probably came from something else. So we'll try our luck with this guy. It is actually a Zenith part, but I think it was made for a Zenith radio, not a Zenith TV. A lot of the modern dial cord I see is pretty darn thin. The cord that came with this was about this size, but it had clearly been impregnated with beeswax, like boiled beeswax, and they just dipped the cording into it and it soaked it up and it was stranded like this. So I'll probably do the same. This has a bit of force on it, so it needs something pretty grippy and something pretty large. We'll give it a try. So that's all I got, just a quickie video. Now I'm going to run off and work on these separate projects and talk more about these in individual videos.